This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in Deadbolt, Latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most.
Introducing ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security maximized. With features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, smart auto lock that will trigger only when your door is closed, and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors like Airbnb guests temporary access codes. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family, and the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered from anywhere you are. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and a dynamic key make every single data transfer secure, so you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use the backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi with the rest of your smart home, and use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
Hey, don't forget your lunch. See you tonight.
Alexa, lock the door.
Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight. Yay, Grandma!
locked.
Home or away, the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt provides peace of mind from anywhere. Built-in Wi-Fi connects seamlessly to your smart home. You can provide access codes and enable custom notifications. It's why so many people trust their homes to Schlage.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.